Hello, this is Memorial Day weekend and I'm going to review QQQ stock and see where it is likely headed next. QQQ had a real crash after the Liberation Day and it has also recovered nicely, but there are clear markers that it has not met yet. First and foremost, notice this yellow line you see is the closing price of 2024. And it tried to break, and then as of Friday it reversed back. So if it has to go upside, it has to close above the December 31st price, then it has to go above the recent high for any chance to continue the rally. For the bulls, the interesting thing is it has the 50-day moving average has crossed the 200-day moving average, and in our world we call it as golden cross, and golden cross are generally bullish. Just to give you an idea of what a previous golden cross would have done is here. If I go somewhere here, see, there was a golden cross and that triggered a long rally for a very long time. If it does not move, and what happens if the downtrend continues? Let us see what are the gaps. First thing is you see a big gap here. Gaps are where gaps always attract the stock like a magnet. So this gap could get filled, and then I see another gap here as well. So these are two visible gaps that it has to fill, and the next target would be to see if it can be above 50-day moving average, then about 200-day moving average, and if it can survive these two, then it is only just a pullback for a higher prices. But if it does break 200-day moving average, then basically we are back into the mode where higher sellings are likely. If you are trading options, you need to be cognizant of the fact where's the momentum, because right now it does not have much momentum to the upside or downside, and all I see is a rounding top. Right now the market seems to be possessed with what Trump seemed to be tweeting or saying, based upon which these moves are happening. Always when you're looking at QQQ, check SPY also. That also seems to have a very similar trend. This is the 2024 close, and it is below that, and that also has the golden cross happen. Another interesting thing I'm noticing recently is stocks that don't have much of revenue. NNE, which is now rocketing up, IONQ, quantum computing. Here, this could have a lot of future. As of now, these are all having hardly any revenue, and this generally does not bode well for a strong stock market. To have a strong stock market, you need Apple to have a good move. It is not having. Microsoft seems to be having a good one, but let us look at Meta. Meta is okay, same thing like indexes. And just be careful in this market, because Trump tweet can destroy if you're a short, or it can destroy if you're long also. So be prepared for those scenarios. Trading is a difficult pursuit. If someone tells you or makes you feel that making money in the stock market is easy, be cautious. It is a skill, and like any valuable skill, trading must be learned, practiced, and refined over time. That's exactly why I created this web-based training program. You can learn at your own pace, and I have packed it with every tool and strategy I have personally used, when to use, how to apply, and when they work, etc. I know how difficult it is to be unguided in the stock market. It is frustrating, and you learn with expensive losses. Take a look, and if it is not right for you, there's a full money back guarantee. I trust and I promise it will be a useful tool. Thank you.